Did you know that the temperature of a turtle's nest determines the gender of the hatchlings? Yes, you heard it right. The miracle of life in the turtle world begins with this fascinating aspect of temperature-dependent sex determination, a rare phenomenon in nature. This means the warmth of the nest influences the sex of the baby turtles, a process entirely different from most other species on our planet. How does this work? Well, it's quite simple, yet intriguing. Warmer temperatures, usually above 84 degrees Fahrenheit, tend to produce females, while cooler temperatures result in males. This temperature-controlled gender selection is a remarkable adaptation, allowing turtles to thrive in a variety of climates and conditions. But that's not all. This process plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of male and female populations, ultimately ensuring the survival of these ancient creatures. This is just one of the many fascinating aspects of turtle reproduction. Let's dive deeper. Turtles have a unique mating ritual that can sometimes look like a dance. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating aspect of turtle behavior. Imagine two turtles, one male and one female, meeting in the vast expanse of the ocean, or perhaps in the quiet solitude of a freshwater pond. The courtship begins when the male approaches the female. He uses his long claws, which are specially designed for this very purpose, to gently stroke the female's face. This act is not random, but rather a deliberate and intricate part of the turtle's mating ritual. This courtship can last for hours, with the male tirelessly stroking the female's face and neck. But why such a charming display of affection, you might ask? Well, it's believed that this stroking stimulates the female and encourages her to mate. It's a sweet, slow dance of sorts that speaks volumes about the turtle's commitment to reproduction. However, it's important to note that not all turtles follow the same script. The ritual varies across different species, adding a beautiful diversity to this dance of life. For instance, in some species, the male will bob his head or wave his front legs in front of the female. Other species might have the male biting at the female's flippers or tail. Despite these differences, the underlying theme remains the same: a gentle, patient, and sometimes long-drawn courtship that ultimately leads to mating. This dance, this ritual, is a testament to how nature has intricately designed each creature and its behavior to ensure the continuation of its species. The turtles, with their slow pace and long lifespan, have their unique style, their unique dance. A dance that, despite its simplicity, is a complex blend of instinct, evolutionary design, and the unwavering drive to reproduce. Once the dance is over, it's time for the female turtle to lay her eggs. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another day. For now, let's appreciate the beauty and complexity of the turtle's mating ritual, a dance that is as unique as the creatures performing it. A female turtle goes through an incredible journey to ensure the safety of her offspring. After the mating ritual, the female turtle begins a new phase of her reproductive journey, the nesting process. This isn't just about digging a hole and dropping eggs in it. No, the nesting process is a meticulous and strategic endeavor designed to give her future hatchlings the best chance at survival. First, she must choose the perfect nesting site. This isn't a decision she takes lightly. It's a delicate balance between proximity to the water and distance from predators. She might consider factors such as the composition of the sand, the temperature, and even the moon's position. She needs to find a spot that is not only safe from predators, but also has the right conditions for her eggs to develop and hatch. Once she's found the perfect location, the female turtle starts to dig. But she doesn't use her front flippers for this task. Instead, she uses her back flippers, which are more dexterous. She carves out a bottle-shaped hole, deep and wide enough to accommodate her clutch of eggs. And speaking of eggs, let's touch on that. Depending on the species, a female turtle can lay anywhere from 20 to over 100 eggs at once. That's right, 100 potential baby turtles. Each egg is soft, leathery, and perfectly round, designed to absorb the impact of being dropped into the nest. Having laid her eggs, the female turtle then covers the nest. Again, she uses her back flippers, painstakingly throwing sand over the eggs and patting it down. She might even throw some deceptive sand around to confuse potential predators. The process is slow and laborious, but it's all worth it to ensure the safety of her offspring. Finally, having done all she can, the female turtle returns to the sea, leaving her eggs to incubate in the warm sand. She will not return to check on them or to help them hatch. Such is the harsh reality of a turtle's life. The eggs are now safely tucked away, waiting to hatch. After weeks of waiting, the most exciting part of the turtle reproduction process begins, the hatching. This is when we witness the first breaths of life from these tiny creatures, a sight that never ceases to amaze. Turtle eggs, once laid in their sandy nests, typically take between 6 to 10 weeks to hatch. The duration is influenced by a host of factors, including the species of the turtle and the specific environmental conditions. Temperature in particular plays a crucial role. Warmer temperatures tend to speed up the incubation process, while cooler ones slow it down. Now, the hatching process isn't as simple as just breaking out of an egg. For these little hatchlings, it's a struggle right from the start. The first challenge is to break free from their shell. They do this using a special temporary tooth called a carbuncle. This tiny, sharp tool is nature's way of giving them a fighting chance. Once they've broken free from their shells, the hatchlings aren't out of the woods yet. They must then embark on a perilous journey, digging their way out of the nest and making a mad dash to the sea or their preferred habitat. It's a race against time, fraught with danger at every turn. Predators are always on the lookout for an easy meal, and for them a baby turtle fits the bill perfectly. Despite these challenges, the instinct to survive is strong in these hatchlings. They use the natural light of the horizon and the white crests of the waves to guide them towards the sea. It's a journey that tests their endurance and sets the stage for the life that awaits them. Surviving this initial journey is a major milestone for these young turtles. It's a testament to the resilience of life and the powerful force of nature. It's a process that continues to inspire awe and respect for these remarkable creatures and the world they inhabit. Sadly, turtle reproduction faces numerous threats, from natural predators to human activities. Turtles have been part of our planet's tapestry for over 200 million years, yet today they are under siege as never before. Predation of eggs and hatchlings is a significant threat to the survival of these ancient mariners. Creatures like raccoons, foxes, and birds are known to feast on turtle eggs, while hatchlings face a gauntlet of predators in their journey from nest to sea. Unfortunately, this is just the beginning of their struggle. The proliferation of human activities has exacerbated the threat to turtle populations. Pollution, particularly plastic waste, is a grave concern. Turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a staple of their diet. Ingesting plastic can lead to blockages and malnutrition, often resulting in death. Furthermore, climate change poses a unique threat to turtles. Turtles have temperature-dependent sex determination, meaning the temperature of the sand surrounding the eggs determines the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer temperatures produce more females, while cooler temperatures yield more males. As our planet warms, we're seeing a skew towards female-heavy populations, which could have dire implications for future reproduction. Despite these daunting challenges, hope is not lost. Around the globe, conservation efforts are in full swing to protect turtles and their habitats. Beach cleanups are reducing the amount of plastic in our oceans, and laws are being enacted to restrict harmful fishing practices. Many countries have established protected areas for turtles to nest safely, away from the threats of predation and human interference. In addition, organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to educate the public about the plight of turtles. Awareness is a powerful tool, and the more people understand the threats turtles face, the more they can do to help. Together, we can make a difference and ensure the survival of these incredible creatures. It's a role we must embrace for the sake of turtles and the health of our oceans. After all, a world without turtles is a world we don't want to imagine. From their unique mating rituals to their temperature-dependent sex determination, turtle reproduction is a fascinating process. We embarked on a journey, beginning with the captivating start to a turtle's life. We observed the intricate dance of their mating rituals, a delicate balance of nature's design. From there, we delved into the nesting process, an essential part of their life cycle, where female turtles carefully select the perfect spot to lay their eggs. The hatching process further showcased the resilience of these tiny creatures, fighting their way to the surface, a testament to the power of life. Of course, it's impossible to ignore the threats they face and the pivotal role conservation plays in their survival. The impact of our actions on their environment is undeniable and brings home the importance of preserving these amazing creatures. As we continue to learn and understand more about these amazing creatures, we can better appreciate their significance and work